Hey gorgeous, it's Sophia Tim. Let's talk about this big mess that is my hair at the moment. My hair is dirty and it smells kind of funny if I'm being totally honest. What you can see right now is that my hair is dry. What you can't probably tell from this clip is that my hair strands are thin and I have a high porosity hair and my hair easily breaks. So I will show you which product I choose to help retain as much length as possible and also keep all the moisture in. First, I fully wet my hair with warm water. I take the time to detangle my hair in the shower before applying any products. When my hair is fully drenched, I'm ready to apply my shampoo. I always go with a gentle shampoo that don't dry up my hair too much. I love the Curl Cleanser shampoo. It's sulfate free and it contains humectant to help moisturize my hair. This video is actually in collaboration with Earthtones Natural and I'm really excited about this video. Thank you so much Earthtones Natural for collaborating with me. Like you can see, I don't use a comb to wash my hair. I also try to avoid scratching my sensitive scalp with my evil nails. I use this interesting tool to wash and massage my scalp and dang, it's amazing. The next step for me is a conditioner or a mask. Today I'm using the Intensive Hydrating Deep Treatment because, did I mention my hair is dry? Because it is. It's the first product that I've ever tried from Earthtones Natural and it's the one that made me fall in love with it. It smells like heaven and it's so amazing. It was made for my 4C hair. After washing my hair, I apply the treatment in each section and I make sure that it's saturated. Then I cover my hair with a plastic cap and I leave the conditioner in for 25 to 30 minutes and I wait. The reason why I love the products from Earthtones Natural so much is that they use a high concentration of active ingredients, so the products actually work. They are a little bit more expensive than other lines, but honestly, my hair deserves the best. Now that my hair is clean and deeply hydrated, it's time to moisturize it. First, I separate my hair in different sections so it can be easier to manage. So as usual, I use a leave-in plus an oil, but I really wanted to use the hair butter by itself. Because the texture was so rich and creamy but also a little bit oily, I thought that maybe I could only use the hair butter. And oh my gosh, it worked. So I apply the thick butter from my roots all the way to the ends and I gently detangle each section. Then I twisted my hair and let it air dry. Boy, was my hair moisturized. Listen. If you have hair like mine that is high in porosity, that easily breaks, and also that is really dry and thin, I really recommend you trying these products. They are just amazing and work wonders. this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I did not show you how I did my twist because I really wanted this video to be focused on the products and why I choose the products for my hair type. And but I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also follow Earthtones Natural on Instagram and on YouTube, and also follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is SophiaTim_. On that note, au revoir, bisous bisous.